It's been 20 days now since Nelson Mandela was admitted to hospital, his condition deemed critical. It's an anxious time for everyone desperate for any snippet of news they can get. The world's media camped outside the Pretoria hospital, where the elderly statesman is receiving treatment, has reported on every move in and out of the place.
Nelson Mandela, Nelson.
But is it justified? Is this how we should treat a hugely revered African icon? Mandela's daughter Makaziwe said earlier it was a gross violation of his privacy.
You can't even go out of the hospital because they are making themselves such a nuisance. It's like truly vultures waiting when a lion has devoured a buffalo, waiting there to, for the last carcasses. That's the image that we have as a family.
Media organizations argue that their presence here at the hospital is in the public interest. And this is where culture is clashing with the world's insatiable appetite for news.
The threshold is not easy to draw on whether we should give him the private space or we should all be there. But I must tell you that in my heart, I feel like I should be there too.
Mandela is the father of the nation. My Mandela, even the family knew that. They know that it's not only their father, it's the world's father.
It's a very difficult road to walk as a journalist. In one way, there's justification to be here. But at the same time, there are cultural sensitivities that must be considered. In African culture, it's simply unacceptable to talk about someone's death, even if it's inevitable.
Describing in graphic details the health condition, the body condition of a person, I do think that is encroaching on the ethical ground where the person, even if you describe in general terms, you wouldn't go that deep.
While Nelson Mandela is an international icon, he's also a father and a husband to a family whose every move is scrutinized. Nomsa, Maseko, BBC News, Pretoria.